Step into the 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, leather upholstery, delay-off headlights, a trip computer, and much more. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop in and take a test drive.